To enable overdraft protection for your debit card, start by opening the bank's website and clicking the Login button located at the top right of the main page. Once the login page loads, enter your email address, followed by your password, and then click the blue Login button. On the account dashboard, locate the Overdraft section, typically found at the top right of the page, and click Learn More to access the Overdraft Protection page. Carefully review the provided information, scrolling down as needed, and then click Obtain to enable the service. A new page will open with more detailed information, noting that overdraft protection does not cover certain transactions such as ATM withdrawals and transfers, but rather payments made using your debit card that exceed your available balance. After reviewing this information, scroll down and click the blue button. Then agree and opt into the service. Within seconds, you should receive confirmation that you have successfully opted into overdraft protection, completing the process of turning on this feature for your debit card.